Manual certification. What is a manual certification? A manual certification is a downloaded PDF document or an Excel form used to certify the individual's effort. When to process a manual certification. A manual certification document is processed when the PI is terminated, on leave, or when the electronic effort document is overstated, understated, or when the system is unable to create an effort document for the employee. If the GRA or postdoc's PI is terminated, a manual certification must be processed for the employee. Who can sign the manual certification? Staff sign their own effort document. If the staff is terminated, the PI, co-PI, or share department will sign the effort document. PIs sign their own effort document. If the PI is terminated, the PI, co-PI, or share department will sign the effort document. Terminated effort documents for GRAs or postdocs are signed by the PI, co-PI, or share department. What is the difference between the PDF and Excel manual certification documents? The electronic effort certification document is processed for a terminated PI, only PI, and for staff, GRAs, and co-PIs whose faculty is terminated with no replacement. The Excel manual certification document is processed when the generated electronic effort document is overstated, understated, e.g., due to a late payment, approved overload, or when the system is unable to create an electronic effort document for the employee. Who approves the electronic effort document after the signed manual certification document is appended? The electronic effort certification document for a terminated PI, only PI, and an employee whose PI is terminated with no replacement is routed to the ESO department for approval. The Excel manual certification document for an overstated or understated electronic effort document is routed to the certifier for approval. How to download the electronic manual certification document. To download the electronic effort certification document, click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the effort document. Then select View Details from the drop menu. Then proceed to click the PDF icon to download the electronic manual certification document. How to download the Excel manual certification document. The Excel manual certification template is located in the ESER web page underneath Guides and Templates. The Excel manual certification template has red triangle comment indicators showing the data that must be entered on each field to properly prepare the effort document. At the bottom of the page, there are additional instructions to help prepare the Excel manual certification document.